So Caroline, we have a question that a seller has written in. She asks, we are coming upon colder weather and the holidays. Should I take my house off the market until spring?
Thanks, Amy. I get this question every year at this time of year. So I would say that there are a lot of different factors that we would talk about, but if your house isn't on the market, we can't sell it. So if your situation is such that the house is vacant or you're able to allow showings at this time of year, then I would encourage you to stay on the market. And one thing that is special about this year is that we're seeing a lot of new buyers coming into the market, whereas typically the buyers are wrapping up their home search. But now when I talk to buyers at open houses, they're just starting their search. So that's a new pool of buyers that we have that we wouldn't have had in years past. The other factor to consider is whether you're able to move in the wintertime and if you're able to allow showings. If so, then I would highly encourage you to keep it on the market because the interest rates are still ridiculously low, and buyers who celebrate different customs are available to look at houses during the winter months, and they're possibly getting holiday bonuses. So there is still activity. I would encourage you to sell while we can.